So hello guys, here is what we're gonna create in a minute. Let's start creating this amazing yet easy kinetic typography intro. But before that, I wanna say one thing. I always experiment with PowerPoint and try to get unique, amazing yet very simple and easy to create PowerPoint magic. But video always get less likes and my channel is going dead, as you can see from my video views count and likes. Also, subscriber and earning is almost zero. It's been 4 years and more than 250 videos and I have now zero motivation to create videos. I used to give all my resources for free, but it seems people just download it and no one cares to give it a like and comment. So I am just giving it a little more time, and if nothing changes I will wrap this up and close this channel. Sorry to keep you waiting for tutorial, let's start. So we will open up PowerPoint and then open a blank slide. In this blank presentation, I will just select this all and delete it. Now I will right click it and go to format background and then change the background to black, and then I'll go to insert and insert my text. Remove the shadow, make the text as white and then choose any font. For example, I am just selecting Arial Black. Okay, then I'll increase the size of whatever my liking. Similarly, what I will do is I will just copy this and then paste it here. You can do this by pressing Ctrl D. Select the slide and then press Ctrl D. Okay, then I'll write my required text here. Just for simplicity, let me just repeat this slide and press this Ctrl D to duplicate. I've created more slide. Now what you need to do is create one blank slide. Now you need to import your audio. So for example, this is my audio. So what I will do is just drag and drop this audio here. To play this automatically, just select play in background and don't loop it. So untick this. So now comes the final part. So go to transition and then select fly through. Take this with 0 duration and apply to all. Now press F5 to play. So you can see this is opposite. We need to do opposite of this. So for that, go to this and then select out instead of in, and then select apply to all again. Then play again. If you want to make it more faster, you just need to change the duration and decrease the duration of this, and then press again apply to all. So that's it guys. I think you got it how to create this kinetic typography. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.